YouTube itself, well, to watch some videos. And here's the first setting. The first update, it's useful for those who, for example, often watch videos, especially at night, and sometimes you fall asleep watching a people on YouTube or just some information. In principle, it doesn't matter. Many people use music to fall asleep and it can literally play for hours, anos. But the point is, you put it on, you fall asleep, and the phone continues to play, YouTube continues to play, your battery just drains. So imagine if you have, say, not Wi-Fi, but mobile data, then all your data, if it's paid, will simply disappear in one day. So look, let's take any video, let's listening to it. Listening to it. Then we tap on the video once, tap on settings, and tap again below. There. And now an additional menu appears. There's a new feature called Auto Shutdown Solution. When you tap here, you can choose a specific time limit, either at the end of the video or for a specific time. Everyone will find their own use, of course, but I think it's really cool if you set music on your phone, some kind of melody. To fall asleep, you can set it for 1 hour or 45 minutes, and that's it. You can fall asleep peacefully. The video will turn off automatically. YouTube will stop playing, and the battery won't drain. Overall, it's a cool feature. It can be used in a variety of ways. By the way, let me know in the comments how you use this auto shut off Padula feature. Now, here's a second useful feature. It wasn't there before either. Now, anyone who knows about it actually uses it regularly, especially for those people who like to share information. For example, look, I just paused. I tapped it, and you see 1 minute 57 seconds. Now look, I'm scrolling down here. There's into interactive line below that scrolls, and we find this arrow. Click on it, and look, here's your 1 minute 57 seconds. That's where I paused. If you want to share a specific moment with someone, say you found some important info, maybe you want to share, click pause in here where you share, simply turn on the slider and then choose how you want to share. For example, you have friends on Viber, Telegram, Facebook, or just email, Bluetooth. There's even Discord, Meet, Google, and so on. There's another tab here. Basically, you can share this way through anything, even just copy got a link or quick sending. In any case, the person who receives this link, this video, will immediately start playing from the minute Josevidisa Nanediasari distat. You'll agree, this is a really cool feature, especially if the video is very long and say there's information you already know and then there's information you don't omit. And to prevent someone, for example, from scrolling through the entire video uselessly and searching for it all, you can simply create a cool feature for sending it this way. Now, the next point is something almost everyone knows about, but few use with this. In this same line, there's also a button called download, Even if YouTube isn't working properly, you can't watch the video using anything else. Yes, just download the video and then watch it offline or online as a begripa. It doesn't matter at all because the video is downloaded to a special folder hidden under the name YouTube, and the video is already stored on your device. Is stored there. You don't need an internet connection for this at all. Well, of course, you need one to download. So you click download and you see the video is saved, and you can basically tell it's already downloaded because it takes up little space. It says downloaded. After that, you can completely disable the internet. For example, turn on airplane mode just so you know it's working. Let's turn off Wi-Fi completely. Mobile data isn't working for us, and internet access. You see, there's no connection. Now look, let's go to YouTube and see the downloaded content immediately appear. Yeah, that's all. You see, there's no connection, no internet, but here's the video. I just downloaded it in front of you, and it works fine. I'm scrolling through it to the very end. It's fully functional, and you can watch it absolutely anytime you want. There are specific limitations here, depending on your device's storage. But such videos are usually compressed by YouTube and don't take up much space. A very useful feature if you want to get some useful information. Some people compilations of clips to keep on their phone at all times, or they download movies to watch while traveling on a trip or in danger, or just to in nature, or just to have useful information at hand. It can be used in a variety of ways. It's a great feature and really helps in many situations. The next feature that appeared is limiting short video viewing temu shazaniwen. So why was this done? Firstly, there are people who don't like short videos presented in this format. And perhaps for some people, they are often recommended. And you're used to just watching full videos, or even, for example, videos for children bantan. Many people think it's mostly entertainment content. A bit, there's nothing useful there, and people watch useless jokes. All of this can now be limited in time or disabled completely. Where is this setting now? By the way, here are the short videos. I have them too. I don't post them often, but you can prevent them from appearing at all. To do this, you go to your avatar in the bottom right. Then click on the settings gear. Scroll through here and find the setting called time management. When you log in, there are some studies and statistics, but at the very bottom, there are daily limits. Limits for shorts. You can set a time limit for viewing shorts. If you enable this feature, you have the following options: 0 minutes, 15, 30, 45, 1 hour, and 2 hours, So, in other words, if you set a certain time, say 30 minutes, and you give your child your phone so they can watch some videos, they won't have more than 30 minutes to watch specific short videos. They will then simply turn off. If you set 0 minutes, well, they won't show at all. This setting is good in some ways. If you want to get rid of the shorts, feel free to do so. If you want to limit it to again, these features are available. I hope you found the video helpful. Let me know in the comments which features you use, including the ones I mentioned.